Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. I'm gonna give you the details of how to make this style. If you know how to do this style, you can do 4 different styles with the same method. 4 different styles with the same cutting and so on with the same method. So I'm gonna give it to you all of it in this tutorial. The 4 style or the 3 style that you can achieve following the same steps. And if you want to learn how to make this inside pocket, I'm going to leave the link below. Check it out in the description box below. Check out how to do this pockets at your right side and the left side of your signature tab. The width that I'm using right now is 21. You can make yours 25 or 30, and the length is 15 inches. So I'm going to join with these 2 inches width and 15 inches length. I have 2 of it, so I will join it side by side. So you start with the folding. You can decide how many, like the big side, the size of you can do it like half inches or quarter of an inch or 1/3 or 1/4 or whatever. You can decide how big you want it to be. So I made my quarter of an inch. There's a way of going in. You don't have to be measuring quarter of an inch. You're gonna stop, eating your times up. Otherwise you're gonna spend a lot of time here. You don't have to be measuring like it's a quarter of an inch. I have to put my tape measure there. Then I measure quarter of an inch. After that, and I measure quarter of an inch or half of an inch or 3. Then you'll be sewing. You're gonna take your time. You need to, after sewing 1 line or 2 lines, 1 and 2 lines, you're supposed to know that the foot here, that's what I'm using, will have to be on the line, and other foot will be at the tip where I'm going to fold. That's what I do. It's going to make the work easier. You don't have to keep on measuring and half an inch or quarter of an inch. You're supposed to know your foot. Use your foot as a guide. When you do first one and the second one, you use it as a guide. So I'm teaching you again. You see, that foot I'll use it on the line, and this foot will be at the tip. That's the second time I'm teaching you this, showing you this one. So this is be done. We just have to go to my table and iron it. You first have to iron on the right side. Don't iron the wrong side. Iron at the right side first. You push everything to the left side or the right side. Push everything to the left side. You can leave it like this, and you cut the neck and you join it. You just fold side by side. You design it. You can leave it like this, and you just cut the neck and just make a shape and put it in front. You have gone. That's another steps. That's another style. You can just leave it like that. After shifting everything to the right side or the left side, you can just leave it like this, and you continue the next step that I'm going to continue. Or we look at the middle. If you want to put placket in the middle, if you know that you are going to put placket in the middle, you can first do the lines like 10 this side and 10 this side, but before doing 10 at that side, you have to leave that 2.5 in the middle before continuing with the 10 that you're gonna do. Do you understand? But if you don't know what you're doing, you can just do it this way, and after that you determine, am I going to put a placket in the middle? Then you just fold it, then you just, you can see that I'm just taking some off in the middle to leave like 2 and 2.5 in the middle, just like that, because I'm going to put a placket in the middle. So I'm counting it. I have a 9 here, one, and I also have a 9 here. So it's supposed to be the same. So this, because we are going to put a placket in the middle, it doesn't have to face that the direction shouldn't have to be on one direction, like all of them is facing the right side or all of them is facing at the right side. No, the direction, one have to face at the right side and one have to face at the left side. That's why I'm shifting the other one to face the other side. The lines, you have to let one face you have to let one face the left side and left the one face at the right side, because we are going to put a placket in the middle. It shouldn't have to, all of it shouldn't have to face one direction if you want to put a placket in the middle. I hope you understood what I mean. So after that, you just have to shape it. You cut the wanted one there you want to cut, and you keep going on. It's Mora FC. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do subscribe, like and share and comment. The more you subscribe, motivates me. The more you like it, you share, and it keep motivating me to keep pushing up. So I'll look at the middle. I make sure it matches each other. Then I look for the middle. I put my snatton top on it. Then I cut. So this, you can decide the neck. It's up to you whether you want to do, like, you want to pop the neck, or you want to put a Chinese neck on it, or you just have to turn it over like that without popping the neck. It's up to you. You decided, and you continue doing it. So it's not necessary that all the necks supposed to be popped, to understand. So you can do this one, then you continue doing the next. So I'm going to join the 2 inches that I've already shown. Join this part, then I'm going to take the other one too. Then I join. But when you are joining it, you make sure you let it be longer. You fold 1/2 inch here. I'm joining, then I'll fold 1/2 inch. Here is it. So I'm gonna put facing on it. Put facing on it to hold it down. I have joined it, so I'm just ironing that part. So I'm measuring from that part to the neck, because you have to determine how long you want it to be. So I just still have to trim some off. It's time to put my facing on it. Please do subscribe, like and share and comment, and click on notification bell. So after putting your facing on it, you can see that this is how the results are going to be. You can see the design, one is looking at the left and one is looking at the right side. And also you can see you have 1 inch here, 1 inch here. I fold that part, so 1 inch, 1 inch here. I join 1/2 inch and I folded 1/2 inch at the tip. So I'm going to measure here. I have 10.5. So if I have 10 and a half, I'm going to cut 11 and a half. I've added 1 inch to it. That's all I added 1 inch to it, because I'm going to fold and a half inch on both sides. So this is 10 and a half, so I have 11 and a half here. See, so I fold it like this. The length of this one, you can make it 4.5 or 4 inches or 3.5. It depends how small, how big you want. Don't make it too small, but you have to go in medium size. That'll make it very beautiful. You don't have to make it so big. If it become big, it won't look so beautiful and nice. Have to be in a medium size. So I'm gonna put facing on this one as well, and we keep on going on. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. It is what it is. Mine is 4/4, 4.25. So you make notches, then after making notches at the tip, then you just fold. You can see I put my facing on it. I folded a 1/2 inch. So it's time to join. You have to open, started from the beginning. You can see the place I folded, so you just have to open it like that. Then you join right side to right side together. Don't sew throughout. If you jump, you'll miss what I'm going to teach here right now. So you can see I left 2.5 inches. Then I'm going to continue. You make a double stitch, then you continue. The place that I'm going to put my placket, I didn't sew that part. You can see I left a space there at 2.5. Inside you can see there's a space here. Then you fold it like this, you iron it. You can go to the your tail and iron it. You fold this part as well. That's it. So you can see at the shoulder I have changed the direction of it as well. If you look at the shoulder, I've changed the direction because I want to make that curve. If you don't want that curve, you have to leave it like that. But if you want that curve, you have to change the direction of the shoulder parts. That's another. You have to change the direction of the shoulder part. You can see the design, the shoulder part. I've changed the direction of it. Yeah. If you didn't change the direction of it, you can't do the wave style. You can't do the wave style. You can't. It's always going to lie flat as it is. If you want it to lie flat, you just have to leave it like that. But if you want the curve, do some stars on it, you just have to change the direction, manipulate it a little bit, and with the iron, then you continue join it. So you pin it, then you sew at the tip of it. Don't leave like 1/2 inch before or quarter when sewing it. You can see I sew exactly at the tip of it. I just go around it. I didn't sew the middle. Just go around it. Leave where we join. The middle one. You just have to go around it, just like that. Just have to take off your pin inside. So when it is, you join the shoulders. You put the back and you join the shoulders. I've joined the shoulders, and I'm going to pop the neck. If you want to learn how to pop the neck, I have a tutorial. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Leave the link in the description box below. Check it out, guys, and learn how to pop the neck. I'm not going to show, but I have to jump a little bit. And I have to do the placket. If you want to learn how to do a placket, I have several styles, different style of placket on my channel. Check it out how to do different beautiful styles of pocket. So I think I have to jump this part as well, and go to where it's very important as well. Because you just have to turn to the wrong side of the fabric, and you join, and then you flip it in front if you follow, you know what it is. So you just flip everything to the right side right now. Then you know the 2 inches or 2.5 inches that were left, you just have to put everything inside. You can see, put everything inside. You just have to shape it, push it, push it so through inside. Don't let the thread show. So you just have to push. You can see the way I push it, let it go inside. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays. I forget to post it. So important that you click on the notification bell, and like and share, you comment, subscribe, it is what it is. So it left is this part, just have to sew at the tip. Don't just start, just have to come like quarter of each from that top here. Then you step on it, then you sew at the tip of it. When you zoom it, you can see this one at the tip of it. So we're done, you just have to go to the iron, to the board, and do some ironing, put some heat on it. So you can leave it like this, or you can just look at the middle of it, and do it. So iron it through that part. So you can play with it how you want to play with it. So like I said, if you don't want this style, you don't have to change the direction of the shoulder part. Put everything flat like that. And if you don't want to put it as well, you don't have to leave a space in the middle. Just have to do it like that, and just go in. It's not always that you have to pop the neck. Sometimes you just have to turn it over without popping the neck. You can do it Chinese neck or whatever.